No Pressure FC 3. Proper Chelsea. Proper Chelsea. So bad, Frankie there, but Chelsea. 1. A lot closer than it should have been, if we're being completely honest. But big up to everybody who tuned into the watch-along. That watch-along was funny, man. I swear to God, that watch-along was jokes. Big up the watch-along. Make sure you are subbed to the channel. We're less than 400. No, sorry, less than 500. I lie. Less than 500 away from 80K. Big up to everybody who has subbed. Make sure you smash a like on the video. Also, we are less than 90 subs away from Lee Reacts hitting 10K. Lee Reacts, I will leave a link just underneath the title in the description. Make sure you sub to that channel. Come on, 10K. 10K, people. 10K. Anyway, how many Chelsea players run 10 kilometers tonight? Probably none. The only Chelsea player who looked like he actually cared was Madueke, and he actually scored. Aubameyang being booed. Excuse me? Aubameyang being booed. Why? Why? The only reason your manager Arteta is in a job is because of Aubameyang. That's it. The only reason he's in a job is because of Aubameyang. If he hadn't won that FA Cup, he probably would have been sacked by now. Let's just have it real, yeah? He probably would have been sacked. Why are you booing him? Mikhailo Mudryk, the Ukrainian Neymar. Top Gooners have had their pants around their ankles for, 8 months? From the summer till January. About Mikhailo Mudryk. And he's done nothing at Chelsea. Proper Chelsea. Up there, Chelsea. He's done nothing since he's been there. Why are you booing him? Why are you booing him? What? He's doing nothing at Chelsea. Literally nothing at Chelsea. So why are you booing him? Are you booing him because you gassed him up into oblivion? Yeah. And then decided, actually, he's not that great anymore. But he chose Chelsea over Arsenal because he went for the money. Okay, cool. Anyway, let's get back onto the game. The game is the game. No Pressure FC. Gibraltar guard. Chelsea guard. Mid-table guard. No Pressure guard. Where was this performance, Odegaard? At the Etihad. Oh, but he's better than De Bruyne. No, he's not. Where was this performance at the Etihad? Where was this performance against Southampton, by the way? Oh, but he scored, Lee. He scored. Yeah, Gunner. Yeah, he scored. Yeah, he scored in the 89th minute after ghosting for 89 minutes. Like, what is going on here? Yeah, the guy's been decent this season. I'm not even going to lie. He's been decent this season. He's scoring goals. Both of his goals tonight were top finishes. The goalkeeper should have saved the first one, though. Yeah, Thiago Silva, by the way, you've had a mare. You've had an absolute mare for that goal, that first goal. We'll come to Jesus' goal in a minute. Yeah, but Thiago Silva, I rate him highly. One of the best defenders I've ever seen in my life. And I'm an old man. 41 in June. 41 next month. Yeah. I'm going to have a silver beard real soon because there's grey hairs popping out left, right, and centre. Luckily, I'm still blonde on top. Yeah, matching collars and cuffs and that. Anyway, Gibraltar guard. Mid-table guard. Had a good season when the pressure was off. Soon as we get into the, one hand on the title, one hand on the... All of a sudden, ghosts for 4 games. Oh, yeah, but Lee scored. And what? Yeah, but he gets to crack. Oh, he pulled the shirt and pointed to the... Whatever, mate. Yeah, I'm not fooled by this guy's PR, mate. I am not fooled by his PR. Yeah, good performance tonight. For me, he was man of the match. But nah, the pressure's off again and you start playing well. Where was you against Liverpool? Where was you against West Ham? Where was you against Southampton? Where was you against Man City? What, passing in Erling Haaland to pass De Bruyne in for his second goal to go 3-0, yeah? Cool. Bukayo Saka tonight. Am I allowed to call Bukayo Saka out or is it racially motivated again? Because every time I speak about Bukayo Saka in a negative light, it's racially motivated, apparently. Cool. Cool. Whatever. We went 3-0 up quite easily. Yeah, like they weren't even. It was literally a carbon copy of our game against Manchester City the other day. The only difference is they were Arsenal and we were Manchester City. And then we come out second half, and I'm thinking, right, go and spank them now. Go and batter them. One off the line, another one over the bar, another half chance. Keeper makes a good. Then it's like you sub Trossard off. Why? How did Trossard come off before Saka? Makes no sense. No sense. I want to read a couple of tweets that I've seen from Top Gooners, because obviously we've only got a thin squad. Yeah, it's a thin squad. It's a thin squad, which means that we didn't do enough in the transfer market both times. Yeah, it's a thin squad. But after gassing up Fabio Vieira to be the next Bernardo, Jorginho, but the experienced midfielder we've always needed, slows the game down, controls the tempo. Cool. Reece, give him a new contract. Eddie, the fox in the box, give him a new deal. 5 goals that took us from 4th to 5th. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. Smith Rowe, Project Youth, number 10. Number 10. How dare you? But anyway, a couple of Top Gooners have tweeted tonight. First one, Jakub Kivior is a gem. Cool, calm, composed. Reads the game well, wins his duels, stops counterattacks, in their tracks, and has phenomenal recovery pace. Yet another Edu and Arteta masterclass. Okay, cool. Let's go to the next one. Half time, this one was posted. Now, both of them are paid for blue ticks. I don't know what that kind of says, but it is what it is. 2 words, 2 love hearts in the eyes emojis. 2 words in capitals, Jakub Kivior. What a player Kivior is. The levels of backline prowess and calmness with Kivior instead of Holding is, in capitals, crazy. Okay. I could see him all game commanding the box. With his large and big stature, it was easy for him picking up those loose balls. That is how easily pleased Arsenal fans are, by the way. First start for Arsenal, and they're gassed. But we have a thin squad. We have a thin squad. So who's going to knock Kivior out of the team? Like, what's going on? How are we going to win the league? Because we've got a thin squad. But Kieran Tierney's won more than everyone. Yeah? El Neni, give him a new deal. 8 games in a row. He loves the badge. He loves the club. He's humble. Humble beginnings. Cool. Fabio Vieira, the next Bernardo Silva. Cool. Eddie, call me. I scored 5 goals that took us from 4th to 5th. Cool. Smith Rowe, Project Youth, number 10. Cool. Yeah. Trossard. Trossardinho. Fair play is a baller. Yeah. Fair play is a baller. But now we've got Jakub Kivior. Calmness personified. Calmness in the box. He was licking his chops. Okay, let's just put it into perspective, people, yeah? Let's just put it into perspective. We're playing against the 5th worst attack in the league. They have scored the 5th least amount of goals in the league. Erling Haaland has scored more goals than that team. We have got double the points of that team. That game should have been 6-0. Why have we conceded? Oh, I'll tell you why we conceded. Not allowed to say it, though. Whisper it. Because we have an inverted fullback who can't defend. Yeah, ball watching again. Okay. Nearly cried again when he got subbed. But he's a leader. Yeah, he's a leader. He came in the dressing room and said, yes, we're going to go for the title. He was trying to do another team talk when the goal went in. Mate, why was you not tracking your man? You absolute waste. I've been that joker in the summer. Yeah, bin him. Yeah, do you know what? Bin him. I beg Kieran Tierney goes Man City. He's linked to Man City. I beg you go there, mate. I beg you go there. Yeah, I beg you go there. Because this whole inverted fullback, like, get in the bin, man. When the pressure's off, yeah, this club does bits. When the pressure's on, they fold. We folded in April last year, didn't win a game. We folded April this year, didn't win a game. Soon as the pressure's off, we win a game. Cool. We're top of the league again. Ooh, that's now 248 days top. Yeah, until West Ham get pammed tomorrow by Man City. In Moisey, we trust. Come on, Moisey. Give it to Moisey. And then Big Sam. Yeah, Big Sam. Come on, Sammy. Big Sam. Yeah, it's embarrassing, man. Like, and people are booing Aubameyang. Deep that, yeah? It is crazy. Booing Aubameyang. For what? Winning us an FA Cup that has kept this fraud in a job. Adios, amigos. I'll take her out. Yeah, check out Kenny's fan cam, Matty's fan cam. Lewis, Carefree Lewis, Chelsea, is going to do a fan cam. And me and Matty are doing player ratings. Adios. Ciao.